Okay. When I save the image that I'm going to upload, watch what I save it as. I'm going to save the file name as what? The keyword that I want to rank for. So, but remember, it has to be relevant too. So how should I save it as? What should I call it? Pardon? Okay, yeah. So what should I save it as? Yes, Canary Restaurants, and I'm going to put restaurants because that's the exact keyword I want in Kuwait. And if Google shows this image for that search, is it not relevant? It's relevant, of course. It's the image of Canary Restaurant logo, right? Canary Restaurants in Kuwait, an image of a logo goes. And I already know it was relevant. You know why? Because I typed in Canary Restaurants in image search in Google, and that's the image it gave me. Okay, so I already know. Google likes it already. Okay, so I'm going to save it. Now I'm going to save that. Okay, let me just save it to the desktop. Make it easy. Now I'm going to go back to the blog, and I'm going to insert this image somewhere here. Okay, but now when I insert this image, I'm going to do it with my HTML because I want to add some tags to it. Remember, you want your image to have your alt tag and stuff like that. So let me find, where's Canary Restaurants in Kuwait? And guys, you could go and do for Maisel Ghanem, you could do as many images as you like. The more the better. And by the way, I'm going to change this too to Canary Restaurants in Kuwait with the H2 tag. Okay? I'm going to do that. And right under it, I'm going to put the image. So what's the code for the image? Okay, what's the HTML code for the image? Well, I haven't memorized the code for the image. I'm going to go get that code. You could use my site to get the code. Okay, so if you don't remember the site, you don't remember the code, I just copy and paste it. So the code is on my site. You can find it there. Now, just look at where, see I have an image here somewhere? Okay, let me see. I'll go to the page source to get the HTML code. Okay, now do a search on .jpeg so you can find the image. Has it showed up somewhere, guys? Is it .jpg or something? There we go. Let me put it there. So we'll do a JPG search. There it is. You see that? Okay, so now I'm going to go and I'm going to take this code. Okay, where does it start? Image here. Look at this. See that this is where the image code starts. You see the IMG class. Okay, I'm going to take this. I'm going to copy and paste it up. That's where it ends, with that slash. The P is for a paragraph. It's a different thing in HTML. So I'm going to copy this, and now I'm going to take it to my blog. I'm going to paste it here. Okay. Now, here's the thing. What did I just do? Undo that. Okay. So we've taken the code, but we have to change the image location. So we delete that, and I've pasted this. This is the image location. How did I get this image location? I went and I did a search in Google Images for the image. I clicked on the image that I want, and when I did that, I went to the website for this image, and then I locate the image on the website. I right click it, it says copy image location, and it gives me that image location, and I just paste it where the HTTP is here. Make sure you change the alt tag for the keyword you want and the title for the keyword you want. And once you do that, you're set to go. So remember, you also want to make sure you have two links on this page on your blog post. One link, as we said, as I put here, to our directory, and with the anchor text as the keyword you want to rank for, restaurants in Kuwait. Another link you should do to an authority site. The advantage of the authority site is that it may not be as targeted to your keyword, but Google looks at that as an authority. The other site we're linking to, our directory, it's not a big authority, but it's really targeted to our keyword, so that will help. So we want two links, one with a Wikipedia or about.com type authority site, and another to our directory. Now, I put an example of how I'm going to put this link in for the Wikipedia. I said you should also familiarize yourself with food in Kuwait. So it's somewhat related to our keyword. And food in Kuwait, I'm going to make a link to the Wikipedia site, which is about the culture of Kuwait. Okay? And that's how I did that. I just copy and pasted the link in there, and it puts the HTML for the link with my with my anchor text that I chose for. Again, you want to make sure that you have H1 tags with your keyword in it. You want to make sure you have H2 tags with your keyword in it, just like here. And you want to make sure you have at least one H3 tag with your keyword in it. You'll see right here I got an H3 tag. Again, the H3 tag is a subheading of the subheading, so it's got to make sense too. Like for example, I have Canary Restaurants as a subheading, Canary Restaurants in Kuwait. I'm going to have menu of Canary Restaurants in Kuwait as the subheading of that subheading. So it's got to make sense. You can't just put these keywords in randomly as you like. And we have an image. Again, remember to put an image, at least one picture with your keyword tagged in that picture. Okay, we put that there. And I showed you where to get that code off of my website. You get that code. And then finish off with the post with the keyword you want to rank for. And a great way to do that is to finish off with a sentence like something like this, where you're pointing to the directory on our website that we created for this competition. So do all that and you should be good. And make sure you add a label with your keyword in it. Okay? And then I think that should be ready to publish. And just click publish post. You can preview it if you want before. So if you need to change it, you could always edit it and make some changes, but try and do things right the first time. So there you go, there's the post, and it's done.